I know there are small augmentation, so no major concern. Okay, so this is the route. This one. So vehicle, there is no, it's not vehicle very I mean transport intensive job. So that is EPC contractor and no heavy equipment. Are you going to use any crane or any heavy construction equipment? No, right?
This MOV lifting 4-inch
The size is very
MOV
small, no? Size is, what is the maximum size?
4-inch
So that's small. That's small.
small one.
No major construction equipments you are going to use.
Yeah, yes.
This was standby executable with the installation of yes, right, standby executable.
Sir, in this one, there is no requirement for additional cable tray route given scope of automation work. Existing cable tray and route will be utilized. Can you write like this? Existing one will be utilized.
Yes, existing.
Yeah, existing one will be utilized. Yes, okay.
For this MOVs, the existing route is routed to the substation, to the control room in MP21. I don't think so.
No,
Because
but
there is underground
for
cables.
others, already cables are going through underground, so that route will be followed.
Okay, but have you done some survey, some adequacy check?
Actually, I visited there. Electrical parts, electrical team can confirm.
Anybody from electrical?
Sabina, hello. As usual, no one is here.
I'll request
Ed,
to join.
Ed.
No
For
problem.
now,
See,
just at this point, I'll ask him to.
Yeah, I have already put here the initial site visit was conducted and no identified and adequacy check was done. But let us understand from Sabina if any.
Chairman, this excavation have been considered